Yo, hello. No way, chat. Yeah, malware Wednesday, Monday, or something is back. Hello. What's up? Yeah, I did not expect, that we was gonna do malware Wednesday or a malware special investigation day so soon. Last time we did, it was, very experimental. Because, so first of all, if you weren't aware, we had something we'll call Malware Wednesday. That was going to be a repeated weekly segments where we do malware analysis. But unfortunately, that quickly fell apart when I kind of ran out of good samples to look at. Like, it was more so difficult to make malware analysis interesting and engaging for the viewers to watch. That's the main reason why the Malware Wednesday kind of went away. So why are we bringing it back now? Well, first of all, it's probably not going to be a repeating segments, unless I happen to have a good sample to look at. But yeah, the reason why we're doing this today is because I have a good sample of us today. This one just kind of fell into my lap. So, for context, I got a phishing message from one of the Facebook pages I run. Let me see if I can bring it up. I don't know if the message is still there. I don't think I took a screenshot of it. That was a while ago. Oh yeah, the person got banned. Ooh, okay. So, let me see if I can find it. Hang on. Just so I don't leak anything. This was from a couple of days ago. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, I might not have it anymore. Well, okay, the point is this. So some person messaged me, and they're like, "Hey, I want this product that you guys have." And by the way, it's written in Korean as well. I don't know how the bots work. I guess the threat actor was just kind of looking around and like was just kind of shotgunning it for a lot of Facebook pages, I guess. I have no idea how any of these underground cybercriminal centralized groups work. But yeah, let's take a look at it, I guess. So let's get our VM started. And it's one of those streams that I'm gonna have to like zoom the display capture way in for you guys to see anything. Hang on a second. So what the heck is this music? Yeah, that's better. So, the only reason why I started doing this, why I wanted to do this today was because, yeah, I just thought like, hey, since I don't think we're gonna do Yakuza 6 today, mainly because, I don't think it's wise for me to stream the same thing every day. And I actually have something else planned for later this stream after we're done with the malware segment. Let's see, where did the VM go? Ah, there you are. Alright. So, let's see. Unfortunately for you guys, I actually had looked into the malware a little bit. Like, when I received the message. Because I was kind of curious if it was going to be any target attacks, but no, I think it was just a random script kiddie malware. So, let's drag in the malware in question today. I don't know if you guys can see any of the text. I don't think Hyper-V will let me zoom in either. Well, this is the best you're gonna get, I guess. Alright, so yeah, it was just a product image and it's wrapped in RAR. And what's funnier is that, okay, so you may have noticed the file size, it's like really tiny. Yeah, this was, I think this was sent last week or something, because like, if you look at the modification, oh wait, no. I got it on December 6th, and it was packed in this RAR December 3rd. I don't know if the C2 is still working, we'll see. So what you expect to do is just obviously open the RAR and click on the batch file, which we're not going to do right now. So one thing that I noticed while I was looking into this was, first of all, if you try to edit it, it's just going to open up with a bunch of nonsense. Initially I was like, what? Huh? But then if you take a really close look at it, you'll notice that something is off. It's encoding UTF-16LE. That's why it's very confused. So when you open up a batch file, it's still going to parse it as regular UTF-8, I believe. But if you save the file as UTF-16LE, if you open it in any editor, it'll just open it up in that encoding. It's going to look really confusing because it's not supposed to be decoded in UTF-16. So one alternative solution is you can just open up in any editor that will allow you to change encoding. So in this case, we're using 010. And yeah, as you can see it down here, it says we're using Unicode. And I want to change that to UTF-8. And now it looks a lot better. Now, with that being said, it still doesn't look quite right. As in, like, it's slightly obfuscated in the way that it's really hard to read. So, it's wrapped in... So, like, it's kind of like ciphered in a way, or like each 2 characters are substituted with 1 character. So, and if I turn on line wrap, if I turn on line number, where is it? Line number. There we go. Okay, so you'll see that it's actually 6 different lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one way we can go about decoding this is we just make it an echo instead. So, okay, so what we're gonna do instead is just wrap these in quotes. I don't know if it's necessary in batch. Sorry, it's been a while since I last touched batch syntax. And that's another reason why I thought this was really weird. The way they're doing this. Like, who uses batch as their initial entry anymore? It's really weird. That's why it screams script kiddie for me. Alright, so echo. Alright. So that's one way to deal with it. So if we just open up batch file now. Okay, so we get these. If we opened up. Okay, so as you can see, what it actually does is it assumes that we have Chrome, which we unfortunately do not on this virtual machine. It opens Chrome and opens up this product link, which we might as well open just to find out what it is, I guess. So it's more or less just to fool people into thinking that, hey, yeah, it turns out it is a product image after all, and when it's not really. And yeah, it's apparently this Hello Kitty luggage thingy. So, let's just get rid of these. We're not going to consider these right now. So, let's take a look at the PowerShell that's calling. Okay, so first of all, it does the classic IWR and downloads this thing. Let's see if this is still alive. It actually is. Wow. I did not expect it to still be alive. It's been a week after all. Alright. So it's gonna save it to winsecure.bat under startup, so that it starts every time. Another thing that's really weird to me is that, first of all, there's very little obfuscation. Like, at least most people would use the alias form for invoke web request, which is IWR. So in case you didn't know, all the commandlets in PowerShell are alias by default. So like if you do ls, that's how it knows it's not actually calling ls. It's actually calling get child item. So like if you do get alias ls, it'll tell you what that is. And when I mentioned IWR, I actually meant invoke web request. So like if I do get alias IWR, that's what most people do when they call. That's what most people that use PowerShell, whenever they're dealing with PowerShell, they usually use the alias form, just to make it shorter and a little bit harder to look at as well. So for example, and another thing is that since PowerShell does not respect, it doesn't really care about capitalization, so you can also type I, capital R, W, and then lowercase r. It's still gonna be interpreted as invoke web request. So yeah, if you ever want to write PowerShell script, you can write really screwed up looking ones very easily. Now that's not the point here. Our point here is that I don't know why it's using the full invoke web request. And another thing that's really weird to me is that why does it just not use? Why does it use? First of all, it uses the environment class, and then calls the username, and then it points us to app data. But like, if you know PowerShell well enough, you could just do env, which stands for environment variable, and app data. Yeah, very strange choice here. And it's gonna open up another one. And it's gonna open, and then it's gonna extract the file, which in this case was this zip file, and it's gonna save it under public as win-down.zip. It's gonna expand the archive, which means unzipping. And then what's really interesting for me is that they, instead of going for something a little bit more obscure or like hard to read for most people, is that they chose to use a whole Python script. Like, instead of, most people with their Python-based malware, is that what they do is they wrap it in the Python installation archive thingy. I forgot what it's called. That's why there's this PyInst extractor thing that most people use when trying to unpack single file-based Python malware. And in this case, this person decided that, hey, we're gonna download the entire Python runtime and run the Python script directly. I can kind of see some benefits for this. Like, you could argue that having a Python executable is less suspicious than whatever arbitrary executable name you come up with. But then, like, if you're gonna run Python and you're gonna put it in such a suspicious looking path anyways, that kind of nullifies the point. So I don't know, maybe they just know Python better than any other languages, and they didn't know that they could pack their Python based script in executable format or whatever. It's just really weird. Alright, so let's take a look at the stuff it downloaded. So we know that it downloaded this winsecure.bat and this zip file. So let's take a look at this zip file first. I mean, this batch file first. Okay, so this batch file basically just does the same thing as this last line, where it just executes the Python file. And the main reason it does that is because this batch file is supposed to be saved under startup folder, which is going to invoke the thing every time the user logs in. Alright, so let's take a look at this. zip file. And yeah, as you can see, they just chose to pack the entire. They just chose to download the entire Python executable, the entire Python runtime on here. Let's see which Python this is. I think it's 3.10. Yeah, it's 3.10. I know that because I saw the Python 3.10 in the extraction prompt earlier. So, let's take a look at what's in the project.py file. So another thing that's really funny is I've also seen this part, unfortunately. So instead of obfuscating the Python script, what they did was, you know what? I'm not gonna obfuscate this script at all. I'm just gonna wrap it in an obscure format. So it's hexified Python script, which is compressed using zlib, and then bz2, and then gzip, and then lzma, which is incredibly funny to me. Like, why would you do this? Like, it just screams amateurish compared to any competent malware dev, or like, hell, even some APTs, which a lot of times are full of incompetent malware devs. Anyway, so like, so what are we gonna do is we're gonna open up CyberChef, because this is easy enough for us to just decode in CyberChef. Let's turn on JavaScript. Ooh, this is the older version. That's not what I meant to open. This one? This one? This one? Which one is it? Ah, yeah, this one. Right, so we're just gonna pop this in here. And yeah, as you can see immediately, it's like, okay, let's do this from hex. And it's gonna tell you, hey, I detected that zlib. So what we're gonna do is just zlib inflate. It's gonna tell you, hey, I know this, it's a bzip. All right, let's do bzip. Decompress. And it's like, oh, hey, it's gzip, so let's do gunzip. And then what else? What's the last layer again? It's lzma. I forgot it does. Oh yeah, it does. lzma decompress. A corrupted input. Well, I mean, we can just save this and. Yep, 7-zip can take care of it for us. So we just extract. And now we have the actual Python project file. And yeah, this is just incredibly weird that they would do it like this. Alright, so let's take a look at what is in here. So I did like briefly skim through it, but like I didn't look closely into it. So I don't know, I guess we'll see what's in here. From what I remember, it's basically a Python-based stealer that sends its data to a Telegram channel. So let's see. Let's see what this base64 is. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is just the Telegram API URL. And there's this FUD. What does it stand for? It's that. Let's hang on a second. Let me see if I can get Python syntax working. Alright. Actually, you know what would be better? Isn't there a VS Code web version? Yep, open anyway. Text editor. Yep, that's fine. Python extension. Yep. I'm actually surprised the extension even work in the web-based version. Language Python. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. Make this bigger. Yep. All right, so where do we start? Why is it what is X01? Oh, imports request as X01. Okay. Well, we can just do requests. Yep. So, first of all, it kills all the browser. Oh yeah, I just realized I forgot to mention the rules I now have for Malware Wednesday. Sorry, Malware Day in general. I forgot to bring this up. Okay, so I set up a rule for myself. No tools from employers. So any tools that I get from my employers are strictly forbidden, because I want to make this as accessible as possible for everyone. So you can do this at home if you really want to. So that means no virus total enterprise. We can still look up hashes and whatnot on there, but like anything that involves enterprise features that we're not going to touch. Also no paid sandboxing, so that we're going to run everything in our own VM. We can't access any of the passive DNS solutions. So no Risk IQ, no Microsoft Defender threat intelligence. Yeah, we're just going to keep everything as accessible as possible so that you can learn at home as well. Alright, so, yeah, apparently it kills the browser. We might as well write this down. So, 1, kill browser. And then it... Oh, wait, I probably shouldn't do a flashbang. I should probably just... New text file. So it kills the browser. We get the IP address. Current time. So it gets the country and then the IP. Country plus IP address. And yeah, it did give away for any browser stealers. I gotta say though, even the code looks very sloppy. What's Kokok again? I have a feeling, isn't that the Korean browser? Oh, Vietnamese. Oh. Okay, the fact that they target Kokok specifically is a bit telling. They might be VN based. Why do I say that? Because like usually what they do is they target countries that they're most familiar with when it comes to these threat actors. So for example, North Korean ones, they would often target things like Naver browser, which is apparently a thing. What other browser are there? I know there are a few country-specific browsers. I know Naver browser is definitely one. There are also a few Chinese-based ones. And the fact that none of them are in here, except the generic everyone can download and everyone can use browsers like Firefox, Chromium, etc., etc. tells me they might be VN based. Oh. Wait. Is Win32 crypt normally available in Python runtime? No, I think, yeah, it's a separate... okay, so I think what happens here is another reason why they download the entire runtime from their own zip file instead of downloading the official Python runtime is because they also have several packages pre-installed. So Win32 crypt is definitely not part of the standard Python library. Neither is SQLite 3, I believe. And yeah, if you ever want to decrypt any of the data from these browsers, what they use is something known as DPAPI, which is basically a crypto solution whose master key is derived from the current user and the computer, so that if you want to decrypt such data, you would need the primary key from the registry of this very specific computer. That's why if you ever just steal the login data and whatnot of various browsers, and then you try to copy it to another machine, it wouldn't work, because you are supposed to decrypt that data and then somehow copy it over to your own session first. So what they did in this case, and what most browser stealers do, is that what they would do is they take the files and then they decrypt it locally. You can decrypt DPAPI encrypted data with crypt unprotect data, and the master key is oh yeah, okay. So master key is just part of it. I believe this master key is derived from the database that's in the browser as well, which by default is SQLite 3. And after decrypting, what they do is you take the URL, username, password, encrypted passwords. Oh, right. So the passwords and whatnot are encrypted once again before they enter the database. So... I actually did not know that. So it uses the master key above, and then the IV is from the first 12 bytes of the encrypted password, I guess. Anyways, so what ends up happening is that, okay, so all of your passwords are now decrypted, and now gets written to this password.txt. I'm just gonna give the URL, username, and decrypted password. Okay, so for those that are less technically savvy, this is another reason why you should not use password managers that are within your browser. Those that are saved locally, you can almost guarantee that there's almost a way, like at least with the current implementation of Firefox and all Chromium-based browsers, they can all be decrypted locally. So do not save passwords into your local browser password manager. Okay, so this is just another way to do it. They also misspelled false. They were right. So they also take the cookies. They also specifically look for Facebook.com as well, which is where I got the phishing message to begin with. It was on the Facebook page. Yep, okay, so there's another solution, but it's just for Firefox instead. For whatever reason, they also delete the browser data. Okay, they probably stole this from somewhere else. There's no way they wrote this. I mean, the fact that it has comment as well. Compressed? What is this? Okay, why? That just sends data. What is it? I wonder what this is for. We'll come back to this. Number.txt, id.txt. And for all reason, there's commented out code as well, which is really weird. Oh, see? I told you. It's Vietnamese based. So, yeah, this is Vietnamese. I wonder what this DJTME is. So yeah, they take the stolen data and then send it in here to this Telegram chat. So I do wonder if this Telegram chat is still alive, and if there's a way I can access that chat. Let's take a look at the Telegram API real quick. I know with some of these Telegrams bots, there's occasionally a way for you to make read requests to the channel that they're sent to. I've never looked into it, so we might as well do it here now. There's no way that this isn't already like all over the place, though. I very much doubt that this thing is still alive. Actually, let's do that real quick. So let's open up PowerShell. I don't know why I just opened an admin. Let's try that again. About admin. So let's do IRM, which is invoke REST method. I think it's gonna post, right? Yeah, it's post. Method post. ID chat. Alright, so is there a way we can, instead of send document, is there a way to read? Telegram read chat. Oh, API, sorry. No, I'm not going to use the library. Oh my god. No, I'm not here to use the library. So I know there's send document, right? Telegram send document. Use Google instead. Okay, so get updates. So let's give this a try, I guess. Hang on. Okay, we got an okay. But it doesn't give us anything. Let's do get me real quick, actually. Let's see what this bot is like. Okay, so it's called Hugh Tom Bot. Okay. Let's write that down. Get user profile photos. By the way, just checking, is this is not the same as the one above. Oh yeah, it's not. Okay, what's this about then? Which bot is this? It's clearly not the same bot. Oop. Okay, so this other bot is called some guy on bot or whatever. Are these the only APIs calls we can make? Really? Okay, let's take a look at this other token that we found. Oh, sorry. Get chat. Okay. Get chat. Chat ID is empty. So we did see a few chat IDs here. So data. Let's do curl instead. Post. Chat. Nope. Chat. ID? Yeah. Would that work? Chat ID is empty. What do you mean? I just filled in a chat ID. Maybe I need to quote it? Nope. Okay, you know what would be easier if we just use Postman instead? I almost spilled my tea. I love waiting around for Scoop to run. Wow, thank you. 1 year, 1 month ago. Yeah, it's been a while since I last updated this VM. Hurry up. Yeah. Alternatively, I'll just download it here. It's faster. Nope, never mind. It seems that Scoop is faster. Alright, what is this ominous music? Can we switch to something else? Let's see. No, we're not logging in. Thank you very much. Post. Body. Raw. JSON. Let's copy that. This in here. Of course, I know I need to quote it. Let's try that again. Chat not found. Alright. Let's try this other one then. Nope, that's not what I meant. Oh, wait. Oh, right, I copied the wrong one. That's why. Because now this one should work. Oh yeah, there we go. So we even have the title. What does this say? That does not make any sense, but sure. Alright. I'm gonna roll with it. Okay, so there's that. What about this one then? So we know this other one is... Oh, no, that's not what I meant. Okay, why is this history box so big? Can we turn off this history box? Hello? Oh, there we go. Okay. There's no... Oh, wait, no. Get chat. Okay, so it gets sent to this chat instead. Which, yep, definitely is something I can read. Some sister next home. All right, very, very cool. All right, so let's take a look at the API real quick. Let's see what other things we can mess with. Get chat administrators. Okay. It's owned by this person, which has a username, an interesting username. All right. Alright, what about this other bot then? Oh, I'm good. Get out of here. Administrator. Right? That's how I spell it? No, administrators. So this one is avol.com. Interesting username. Does this actually lead anywhere? This domain? Nope, it does not go anywhere right now. Alright, so what other things can we look at? Since we're here, we might as well document the API we used. Get chat administrators. Oh yeah, I should probably take note of their ID. Oops. So what kind of information can you get out of get chat member? We might not even be able to do it. So yeah, get out of here. Chat ID, user ID. Okay, that doesn't really give us anything. Here's the language code, though. I guess it stands for Vietnamese, I guess. Wouldn't it be Vian? Ah, whatever. Is there a pinned message, I wonder? Pinned message? Whoa, wait. Can we just do get chat real quick? Has protected content. Hello, Rappy. How are you doing? What's his other chat then? Pretty good. What am I up to? I'm looking at some malware that was sent my way to one of my Facebook pages. Just looking around, see what they are doing. Apparently it's a stealer that sends things to Telegram. So I'm just snooping around. Good chat member account. Sure, why not? 3. 2. But yeah, it's nothing too interesting. Wouldn't it be funny if I just left a chat for them? So for context, right now we have the bot that sends the stolen message, stolen credentials to their Telegram. We can just do whatever we want with the bot. We can do a little tomfoolery if we wanted. But no, I kind of want to snoop around a little bit more before we do that. What's my current name? Does that work? Did we not log that already? Oh, no, we didn't. Alright. Alright. Wait, sorry, I lost track. Which one is this? Right, so that's that one. Right. So that one is Hugh Tombot. And this one is... Right. That. And it's the same username as well. Get my short description. We don't have one. Yeah, we don't have one. I want to see if there's a way we can see chat messages. Get message? Getting updates. Okay, so there's not really a way we can do that. Unless we pull it every 24 hours, which I'm too lazy to do. Alright, then I guess the only thing we're gonna do before we nuke the entire thing is we're gonna do a little funny. Alright, chat. How do I send a message? Send message. Body. Right, okay. It's probably just you here, yeah. I mean, it's relatively early. I wouldn't be surprised if no one's watching. Don't worry about it. Send message. Text. Hello from... Do we want to type our name here? Subscribe. Now stop stealing passwords. Thanks. Send a message, or are we gonna send it to both the chat? Bad request, not enough rights to send text messages to chat. Okay, that's okay. We have a backup plan. Apparently, we can send documents in this chat, so we can send funny text over the documents instead. But first of all, hang on a second. I got the wrong token apparently. Yeah, that was supposed to be this one. Okay. So now what we do is we do send document instead. Send document. And then we do caption. Hang on. So send document. We can send a thumbnail if you wanted. But I think that's too much work. Yeah, first of all, let's just do caption. Caption. How do you include file? File to send fend. Pass an HTTP. Oh, I can send the HTTP URL. All right, chat. Oh, we know what we're gonna do. So document. Let's send them a funny image. What do we send? Meme. Oh god. Ooh. There's something in my eye. Mean template generator. Mean template. Meme generator. There we go. All right, what funny meme do we send? Caption this meme. Make contribution to society. Make password stealing bots. All right, now we re-upload it to Imager. Hello. Thank you for the follow, Mike Modder. Hello. So we save this image. We re-upload it to here. Copy image link. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, it worked. Alright, let's send several more. Let's just spam like 10 of them. Let's go. Okay, so let's see. I should be able to write this in a way that works for curl. Post data. CyberChef is minify, and then we escape. No, I think we can just do replace. So replace that with backtick. Thank you very much. All right, let's see if that works. There's no document in the request. Yeah, I don't know why it refuses to work when I do it like this. Is there a way? Oh, wait, no. I think you can send a file, right? Curl data file. Okay, yeah, you can send a data binary. Okay. Ooh, okay. Can you not? Okay, so start with an at. .json. Copy path. All right, let's see if that works. Yeah, it still says no. Weird. Verbose? Did it actually send anything? Hang on. Let's see. We must have missed something. Curl Telegram. Unless we need to set the content type, which I doubt. Is that really the case? I mean, is that really all we're missing? Oh yeah, that worked. Okay. So what we're gonna do, while true, start sleep 1. Alright, let's just continue spamming the scammer. Until we get kicked out or whatever. Let's try the other one. Now this is what I call peak content. It's really funny when they just decide to leave their bot token wild. Okay, so what was the request again? Right, this. Not enough rights. All right, send. I need to send document. Right. Document. All right. So now while that's doing this thing, I guess we can wrap up our findings real quick. All right, so we now know that based on our quick research, probably script kiddie as well. Criminal group. So the entire purpose of the chat was just to collect credentials, and like it's written in such a sloppy way that I feel like it's written by like script kiddies or someone who doesn't really do this for a living. Actually, you know what? I think we can do milliseconds, 500. Yeah, let's do 0.5 seconds. Why not? All right. So now that we're done with basically collecting the basic stuff about the gang, what we can do next is do a little threat hunting. So how do I do this without using my virus total enterprise privileges? Let's go on virus totals first to see what searches are available to us without enterprise. It's been a while since I last used VT without enterprise. So a few things I guess we can do is am I gonna be able to do file name search? I have a feeling that's a no. But let's see. Windows secure.bat. How about that? Ooh, yeah, that's a no. I kind of expected that. That's okay. Oh, yeah, you can't really see that. Hang on. Yeah, you can't really do a file name search without enterprise, unfortunately. What else? We can do a domain search. Yeah, that's right. So we know where the C2 is. So put 010. Right. Oh, I'm getting rate limited. Oh, too many requests. Yeah, I expected that. That's okay. Let's do like 10 seconds. How about that? That's still annoying enough for them. Okay. So, yeah. Right. So, let's, we know it's gonna go to school-us.store. So yeah, as you can see, we don't even need VT to Enterprise, and you can already see how widespread this campaign is using just this one C2. And they're all going by this all similar theme here, which is product screenshot. This one isn't in Vietnamese or English. Interesting. But yeah, they're all using more or less the same thing, where it's a batch file. List of products to buy in November. Okay, so it's translating to various languages, I see. So without virus total, we also won't be able to tell things like their submission country, unfortunately, and their time. Although we can roughly gather the time frame just based on this one scan date alone. So it's like somewhere around late October till now. So this is still an ongoing campaign. I do remember some folks on Twitter or infosec exchange have mentioned something like this. So let's take a look real quick. Or it's a VT community post, I forgot. Let me bring up my Twitter real quick. Actually, I probably shouldn't. Okay, as long as I don't show my timeline, that'll be fine. So, no result here. Of course. Let's go to infosec.exchange. We might as well post our finding while we're here. So, today's malware Monday results. Sample, which is, I wonder if the exact hash is on there, is on VT, because I haven't uploaded the file yet. Let's see. Nope. What about this batch file? That's also no. Alright. You can find many similar samples here. Python-based credential stealer, browser stealer. What is it currently resolved to, anyways? Let's see. Virus total. Ooh. Okay, apparently... As a result of Cloudflare. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Cloudflare. What else? Probably Script Kitty. Lower tier. Criminal gang. Vietnamese based. Targets Hawk browser and repeatedly uses Vietnamese amongst Telegram channels and usernames. Large-scaled phishing campaign via Facebook messages using all sorts of languages. The user that sent me the message to begin with already been banned at analysis time. C2 downloads the entire Python 3.10 runtime and the project file. And is not obfuscated whatsoever. Sloppy PowerShell scripts. You were lurking for a bit. What do you miss? You didn't miss anything, actually. I was just about to publish my finding for today. And we're spamming their channel really hard. I don't think they're reacting yet. Because all my messages are still going through. Hydrate myself now? Alright. Thank you for the reminder. My throat was definitely getting a bit dry. Wait, does it not do Markdown? I thought it does Markdown. Oh, man. Oh, well. Ooh, I got a lot of attention earlier today. Over some little thing I found. Damn, alright. Calm down. Infosec exchange. I wonder what... Hang on, let me check. When was this domain registered? Does it say? Oh, there's also Let's Encrypt thing. Certificate. Oh yeah, it's also registered at a Vietnamese domain registrar. Okay, so yeah, that like I expected. It started as soon as they register a domain. A sample started popping up around late October. I wonder what other Google search results would this lead us to. So someone put it on any.run, it appears. Why don't we go there now? I think that says it's bad. Yeah. That's okay. Let's just go there anyways. Oh, what is this page? Hello? Let's start JavaScript. Okay, it's doing something. I wonder what the JavaScript is doing. I wrote this page is for. Okay, well, I'll let it do its thing. Unless it freezes. Alright. So this generator page. For what, though? Let's do a little translation real quick. So, this. Enter 3 numbers. Enter combined text. Enter desired amount of genes. What does that mean? Enter 3 numbers. AAA. Wait. Huh? I have no idea what this is for. Interesting. Ooh, okay. But, like, why, though? Like, what is this for? A lot of people actually put it on hybrid analysis and any.run. Interesting. But yeah, this just goes to show you how rampant this one campaign is. Is this still working? Actually, I'm not sure. I'm not seeing my message here. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna keep that spam going on in the background while I do my thing. I think that about wraps it up though, unless we have some other sample to look at today. This is a bit of a one-off thing, because I normally don't have a lot of samples that I can look at on stream. As in, like, yeah, I have a lot I can look at if I really wanted, but, you know, half of it is work-related. I don't think I should be showing work-related stuff on stream. Unless I get another sample that sent to me or to my lab. And with that, I don't know. I don't want to call the stream off yet. It's only been like 90 minutes. I had another thing planned for this stream, which is the Tetris game. So why Tetris? We have a Tetris tournament at our company real soon for the Christmas party, and I like to practice for that. But I don't know which Tetris game they're using though. I think it's Tetra.io, I think. Tetri.io, I think. Let's see. All right. Let me change the category if that's the case. Bit of Tetris after Malware Monday. Alright. So. Yeah, let's put a little Tetris. Why not? Has been registered. Do you want to change? Who uses the name Asuka? There's no way someone else has already taken it. Really? Oh my god. Well, I don't have an account yet, so let me make one real quick. Register. Wait. Oh no, it hasn't been registered. Oh, alright. Okay, that's good. Let's do that real quick then. Hang on a second. Don't want to leak anything. Let's see. Log in. Oh wait, why is there two audio? No. Tetra, no, shut up. I don't want audio. Config? Audio? Now turn that off, please. Okay, delete. Alright. Alright, so I've never played on Tetra before, so let's see how this goes. Okay. Let's do solo for now. Let's just do Zen. Do they have hold in this game? Hang on. Config. Handling. Actually, I'm gonna use the music that they have. So that's a bit more fitting. There we go. Okay, so do they really not have a hold? Swap hold. No, okay, there is hold. Where though? Gameplay. I guess shift. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's shift. Okay. Oh god, it's been a while since I last played Tetris. Or at least, somewhat professionally. Oh god. It gets super awkward when I have pieces like that. I still don't know how to get around situations like that. Hello, Shadow. I'm glad that whenever You see me online there, you drop by. Hope you're having a good day. Oh god, you know, when the game, when Tetris Effect first came out for PC, or at least on, Game Pass, I was, one of the first few people to mod it, because, no one knew how to bypass the, how to decrypt the Unreal assets, because, it was encrypted, and I had to reverse engineer to figure out how the, encryption works. Turns out all Unreal engines actually use more or less the same encryption method. It's just you have to do a little debugging to get the key at runtime. Okay, this is a bit too slow. Is there another 2-minute race against clock? Yeah, sure, why not? I've never played on Tetrial before. This actually seems well programmed. Little site. Oh god, that's not what I meant. Ah! Okay, chat, I swear I'm usually faster than this. Look, I'm tired, alright? That's my excuse. Oh, I forgot how to T-spin. Ah! Oh my god. Alright. Time to restart. That was bad. Let's try that again. At some point in my life, like a few years ago, I was really obsessed with Tetris. Now it's been like a few years since I last played, so excuse how sloppy I am. That's the excuse I'm going for. Yeah, that's why. That's why I'm playing bad. I'm not bad, chat, I swear. Okay. Don't worry, guys. That was intentional. Yep. That is intentional. Yep. Totally. Oh God. Okay. I'm doing fantastic. Whew. Okay, that's one problem I had with Tetris, looking back, was that I often make these very silly little mistakes. And then overstacking a little bit. Ah, shit. Alright, let's try it again. This music is banger, though. Oh, no, no! That's not what I meant! Ah! Shit. Okay, saved, kinda. Oh, no, no, no! I thought I had... Oh, shit. Oh, God. You know, there's one thing I never learned while I was very into Tetris, was that how to properly T-spin. You know, after like hundreds of hours of practicing, I still know how to properly T-spin. I tower way more than I should. That's usually my downfall. Yeah, same. Alright, let's try again. Oh, now I got down stack because of that mistake. Darn. Okay. Fixed. Kinda. Oh god, I'm starting to doubt whether or not I can actually win the tournament with this skill. I'll just have to hope that my colleagues are also bad at Tetris. Oh god. Okay, let's just go for as much as possible. In the last second. Ah. Oh god. Okay, I did better than last time, I think. Yeah, that was better than last time. Okay. So what other modes are there? 40 lines. Oh yeah. Okay, this is classic. I know Tetris Effect also has something like this. I gotta say though, Tetris Effect has way better bangers. Not that the music is bad here, but it's just not compare. Oh wait, I guess it doesn't matter if I stack or not in the 40-line mode. Whew, okay. I feel like I could do better there. I cannot read any of these stats though. Like, these stats mean nothing to me. Oh my god, my arm is actually starting to hurt after that. Actually, hang on. Since we're playing Tetris anyways, let me mute the audio and play Tetris Effect soundtrack instead. I think I much prefer that game soundtrack. Let's see.
When you were born, something changed. My heart could not contain the miracle of this world and all that it creates. With every passing day, the winds might grow stronger and carry us away, but we will hold on to joy to light the way, to keep the reminder that love does not escape. I'm yours forever. There is no end in sight for us. Nothing could measure the kind of strength inside.
If you've never played Tetris Effect, you should. The game is free on. The game is on Game Pass anyways, so you might as well.
Each of us are miles and miles away. We'll
think I'm doing worse than last time. Ow, my hand. Oh, 7 seconds behind. Darn. Let's try again. Alright, one more for 40 lines, and we're gonna move on to something else. You know, maybe I should play more Tetris. Maybe I should stream some Tetris Effect at some point. Yeah, actually sounds like a good idea. You know it's bad when you start to zone out a little bit when you play. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. Let's play a little bit of multiplayer to see how this works. In ranked duels. Make sure you have the time and connection to play. Yeah, sure. Enter matchmaking. You must be level 10 or above. Oh. Well, let's go for a quick play then. Oh. Okay, chat, a little update. Hang on. We got one of the bots banned. Or at least it got kicked from it got muted from a chat. Look. Not enough rights to send documents to the chat. Woo! I'm sure it's temporary though. Like I know the person probably just muted the bot. I'm just gonna keep it running. I wonder how long this is gonna take. Well, while we're waiting for that, let's. Because it muted me not too long ago. What about the other chat though? I wonder if the other chat I haven't noticed in the other chat yet, because I'm clearly not banned yet there yet. Actually, hang on a second. Send document HO. Let me make sure I even was sent the right request because it doesn't look quite right. Hang on. It should be. Bot 69. So this is 405. Yeah, it should have been working. So what result do we get? Yeah, it looks like that worked. We can do convert from JSON. -s. Weird. It didn't work. Oh, well, whatever. I mean, we can do JQ. Yeah, there we go. We'll just let that run in the background. How long am I gonna wait for this? I mean, how long am I having to wait for this? Room listing. Only newbie. Sure, why not? Yeah, I don't really know how that works. Well, I guess I'll keep playing normal 40 lines then. Alright, I'll play for like 2 more rounds. I'm gonna call a stream here, because I'm a little tired as well. It's like almost 10 p.m. here. Nope, let's restart. Oh, okay. I wish there was a way to quick restart. Oh, okay. That did not work. Try again. No. Damn it. Please. Oh, why does it keep... That's our chat. I'm doing okay. Real life. No, I'm kidding. I'm really tired. I wonder what, oh yeah, I haven't tried their latest game yet. The from the people that made Tetris Effect. It's something called Humanities, I think. Oh, hello. Thank you for the raid. Yeah, good stream. I'm just playing Tetris for a little bit. Hello, hello. Oh, Shadow, you're still here. Hello. Have had a good stream. Thank you for the raid. 虽然说我应该过没多久之后应该也要结束了。Oh my god, please. Let's try again. We got this. No, this doesn't really sound like a Tetris Effect soundtrack. It's kind of interesting. I wonder what their how they come up with each of the themes for each stage in Tetris Effect. Yes, that was intentional. Don't worry, guys. Okay, that I don't know what the point of that T-spin was. Oops. Okay, maybe I'm really too tired because I can't focus at all. Darn. Okay, well in that case, I'm gonna call it here. But someone just raided me. Ah, man. Well, at least I'm gonna call it Tetris here. I'm surprised that it's still going, by the way. So for people that just joined, we completely nuked some Vietnamese cyber criminals Telegram chat. Because yeah, they were stealing passwords and whatnot, and I was like, yeah, you're not having any of this. Yep. I got banned from one of the chats though. The other one's still going, surprisingly. I don't know why I didn't list the yeah, like the other one would told me what message I sent, but not this one for whatever reason. Hang on. Oh, right. It's caption, not text. Oh. Right. So now it should send the caption. Yep. Okay, so instead of 10 seconds, we're gonna do like 5 seconds. Yep, I'm just gonna let this run in the background. I'll update you guys on infosec.exchange. But speaking of, follow me on infosec.exchange if you're interested in more malware shenanigans. One more thing before I go, actually. So, just a reminder, I now have a clips channel. I've been getting more and more clips onto it wherever possible. So you can follow me over at Azaka Clips. You can also find the Clips channel by typing !clips in chat. There should be one or two clip every week, basically. And the latest one was Lethal Company. I'm also gonna be experimenting with shorts for a little bit. I've never uploaded any shorts content before, so we're gonna see how that performs. Yeah. The Suika game one actually somewhat performed better than the other ones. Alright, see you later, Shadow. I think I'll call it here as well. I'm very tired. Is there anyone who can raid? Oh, Daff is streaming. I'm gonna raid you guys to Daff. Why not? I don't know how many people are still... Oh, 6 people are here? Oh, hello. See you later. Bye-bye.